Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to get weather effects in Dota 2 on a PC. Let's get started. Weather effects are cosmetic changes to the map. They don't change gameplay, they are just visuals. Some example, snow on the map or rainfall or thunderstorm. You can change them through treasure chest or battle pun rewards. There are three main ways to get them: Dota 2 stores, treasure chest or battle pass reward. Once you have them, you can equip them in your to equip your weather effect. Open Dota 2 on your phone or on your PC. Once you're on your home page, click on heroes, then layout and map effects and select the weather you want to and click equip. Now every game you play will show you chosen weather effect for everyone in the match to see. Some weather effects are seasonal or limited edition. Grab them during events. You can switch effect anytime between games. Use effects you like for fun visuals, but remember they don't affect gameplay. And that's it. Now you know how to get and equip weather effects in Dota 2 on your PC. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.